Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to start Unit 10 and we're going to talk about the environment. So first, look at these pictures. How did the places change? Please think about this so we can discuss. Great. What impact do you think humans can have in nature? Do we usually have a good or a bad impact? Why? Please think about this. Alright, great. Now, look at this picture. How has the world changed because of men? Are the results positive or negative? Why? Great. Now I want you to please match the vocabulary to the definitions. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, so doomsday means a time of catastrophic destruction. Some people call it the apocalypse. Dweller is an inhabitant of a place. Pivotal role is something important or crucial. And unravel is to solve from a complication. Very good. Now, let's go to our student book, page 104. You will find two texts that are incomplete, so please complete them with these words. After you finish this, please read the text and look at this. What is different between the texts? Please pause the video while you work on this. Okay, great. So if you noticed, they are both talking about how we can help the environment. However, the first one is talking about how we, as normal citizens, can help protect the environment and what we can do to reduce global warming. And the second one is focusing more on the industries. Great. Now, I want you to please read again and write down some of the positive and negative points of each text. Please pause the video while you write down at least 3 ideas for each text. Okay, awesome. Let's continue. Which text do you agree with? The first one or the second one? Why? Now, I want you to please predict how the footprints that man will leave in the next 100 years will be. Are we going to leave a good one or a bad footprint? Basically, like how the environment is going to be because of us. Okay, great. Then let's continue. Now, I want you to think about this. How eco-friendly are you? Do you use a lot of plastic bags? Do you use your car a lot? Please think about this. Okay, we're going to take a quiz. Go to your student book, page 105. Working exercise 1. Let's take this test. For example, you're going to write a number 2 if you usually do this, 1 for sometimes, and 0 for never. It says, check how often you do these things. I walk, cycle, or use public transportation to go to work or college. In my case, I wrote 0, never. Why? Because before the pandemic, I always used my car to go to work. Now, I want you to answer this according to your life before COVID-19, please. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay? Great. Now, summarize your points and let's see how eco-friendly you are. We're going to discuss in class. Great. Now, think how eco-friendly is Guatemala. Why? I think we are becoming more eco-friendly, but we still have a long way to go, right? We're reducing our use of plastic. A lot of people are trying to use reusable bags, so that's good. But I think we still need to improving a lot of things. Great. Now, what is the meaning of these words? Please pause the video and do some research. Once you finish, come back. Okay, let's go ahead and check. So, energy efficient means that it uses less energy than others. Locally grown is local food and other products that are grown in a city and they are also sold in that same area. Organic means without the use of chemical or artificial products. Solar powered, that uses the energy from the sun. Something that is sustainable is able to be maintained. Recycled, to use again in a different manner, to give it a different use. Renewable, capable of being renewed. This could be similar to sustainable. Great. Now let's go to our student book page 105, exercise 3. Here we're going to cross out the word or phrase in column B that does not collocate with the word or phrase in column A. Let's do the first one. Locally grown, produce. Fruit and vegetables, apples, or meat. What is something that we cannot grow? Meat, right? That's something we cannot produce. We need to raise an animal. However, we can produce fruit and vegetables, apples, or produce. Very good. Now pause the video and do the rest. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and check. Energy efficient washing machine, energy efficient dishwasher, and refrigerator. The one that is not correct is paper, because it doesn't use energy. C. Solar powered central heating, car, and house. In this case, we do not use emissions. Recycled, paper, glass, and plastic. Central heating, not really. Organic, cotton, meat, and produce, but not glass. Sustainable, farming, development, forest. But light bulbs are not really sustainable. Renewable energy, resources, and power. Food is not renewable. Now think, in what way are these items eco-friendly? Which of these items form a part of your lifestyle? Great, let's go to our workbook page 42. Let's complete the new headlines with the words in the box. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, great. Letter A, we have restaurants to use only locally grown produce to support region's farmers. B, massive investment in wind power as 50% of world's energy to be from renewable resources by 2050. C, not enough sun in Northwest for solar-powered cars, say experts. D, sales of organic produce fall during economic crisis. E, new energy-efficient washing machine to cost 1 cent per wash. F, sustainable tourism is only a way to avoid loss of minority groups. G, glossy magazine industry urged to use recycled paper. Excellent. Now complete the sentences below with your own ideas. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, great. We're going to share this later. Now think about this. How can we make Guatemala a greener country? Okay, guys, I will see you in class.